Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. I've had this for about 3 months, 2.5 months now, and I've been waiting for the right moment to do a video on it. And what the right moment is? Today. No particular reason. I got it from delivered right after Christmas. I put it away, kind of forgot about it. So today I want to do a cook. I want to cook me a Cornish hen, and I thought about what would be the perfect way to cook it, and it's with this. This is the 15-inch Trader Joe's Super Skewer set. It comes with 3 pieces. I haven't opened this. I only saw it on Amazon. I like what I saw, so I pulled the trigger on it. This is $17 on Amazon. And if it does what I think it's going to do, it's going to be perfect for what we do here at This and That. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this puppy open. There is supposed to be a base, and if kind of don't want to destroy the box, you know how we are about boxes here and This and That. We like to keep our boxes somewhat intact just in case we have to return it. Oh, this may be more than we bargained for. I thought this was one skewer that had one base, and each one of the skewers screwed into the base individually. But what we have is 3 bases and 3 skewers. You can use the skewers individually to skewer a what do you call them, shish kebab or vegetable bob, or you can screw each one of these into its own individual base. Awesome. It has a hook in the top, and you know where we're going to use this puppy at. We're going to use it in the Big Easy. So now it has the hook, the skewer. I love it when I make a purchase and I get more than I bargained for. That doesn't happen in life very often, but occasionally you get more than you signed up for. This is freaking awesome. Now while I'm doing this, I got a question for y'all. When I do a video that's mainly a product review, do you think I should cook something when I'm doing the product review? Can I simply do the product review, show y'all what I got, or would you prefer I cook something to complete the process? If y'all would, please comment in the description, in the comment section, and tell me what you think. Can I simply do a quick down and dirty product review, or should I cook something when I do a product review? Because y'all know I like to cook. I got no problem with that. Hold on just a second. I got this jewel when I purchased the Big Easy. This is my hook. So now I can put whatever meat, a chicken, or if I'm doing a shish kebab on the barbecue pit, I can lay this horizontally. If I'm cooking a chicken in the Big Easy, I can do it vertically. I can hook it right here Boom. Pull it up. It's amazing. Awesome. So, without further ado, this is simple, straightforward. Like I said, 17 bucks on Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. All the videos I do, like I've said previously, I purchase items that I like. And as of yet, I'm not sponsored by anyone, but I will put a description and a link to this in my description section. And if you like it, you can purchase it from Amazon. And if you would, please purchase it through my link, and I'll get a small gratuity, and that way we can help grow the channel. So without further ado, what I'm planning on doing was cooking a Cornish hen. Me being me, I think I can cook 2 Cornish hens on here at the same time. So y'all stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, fam, I'm here at my sink, which I love, love, love. Got my hand soap, washing up. We got our Cornish hens here, we're ready to go. And I got my collapsible bowl, which we just did a video on. I'm gonna go ahead and let the water off. We're gonna wash these Cornish hens off. They've been sitting out here. I've been thawing out for a couple of hours. And remember, this video is just about the skewers. Not about a recipe, it's not about seasoning. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. My black mamba gloves. The reason I saw these on Amazon, I forget how much they were. I'll put a link to these in the description box below as well. But as a tribute to Kobe Bryant, when I saw the black mamba gloves, I had to have them. So from now on, this is what I'll be using in my cooking videos, is my black mamba gloves. These are extra large. Yeah, boy. For these extra large hands. Oh yeah, these things are durable, because I am snatching and pulling on them, and they are not breaking. They don't have the powder inside, so these are made for cooking. Awesome. Remember, black mamba gloves. Sink, and I'll put a description to all this. I'll put a link to all this in the description box. This is for my kitchen. We determined that what we have now is a kitchen, and that is awesome. So let's go ahead. I drained the water off of these. I'm gonna grab my go-to seasoning. Excuse me for stepping in front of the camera. Let's dry these off just a little bit. Now, like I said, family, I haven't done this before. My first time using these skewers. Oh, I always forget to turn on my Big Easy. Let her preheat up a little bit. Now, check that out. Y'all saw? I took the basket out. Think about it. With the skewer, we will not need the basket. And that's why I ordered it. The skewer. Get a little seasoning down in these boys. And this is my go-to seasoning. Salt, pepper, paprika. That's what I use on all my poultry. All right, let's go ahead Sit these boys down on the skewer. There you have it. We're done. Got 2 Cornish hens. If we had a full-size chicken or a turkey, we could do the same thing, follow the same process. Put them on the skewer, screw the skewer in, take the basket out, and simply drop these puppies in. Perfect. Let me grab one of my cameras and I'll show you how that thing's sitting in there perfect. There it is. All right, family. There you have it. There's no need for me to show you the end product because this is not about the Cornish hens. This is about the process. Skewers, 15 inches tall, sits almost perfectly to the top of the Big Easy. $17 on Amazon. Black Mamba gloves, extra large. I think a box of them were like 8, 9, 10 bucks. And the table, kitchen, done. If y'all like this video, give her a thumbs up. If you didn't, give her a thumb down and the reason why in the comment section. If you like what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.